Ever walk into your home and feel like it's clean, but somehow not fresh? Like there's still something off, a layer of tired air sitting quietly in the corners? Yeah, we've all felt that. But here's the truth. A spotless home isn't about fancy sprays or hours of scrubbing. It's about knowing where to clean and how. Today on Rustic Pantry, we're diving deep, real deep, into the forgotten corners, secret formulas, and quick little tricks that make your home shine in minutes. No stress, no perfection needed. Just honest cleaning that actually works. 1. Start small, think big. The power of focus cleaning. The thing about cleaning is it always looks bigger than it is. You stare at the mess, and suddenly it feels like the whole house fell apart overnight. But here's the trick. Don't look at the house. Look at one corner, one table, one shelf. That's it. You start small, but you think big. That's how deep cleaning becomes easy. You grab your tools, a cloth, spray, maybe some gloves if you're fancy. 10 minutes. That's all it takes to transform one messy spot into something new. And once you see it clean, something clicks inside you. You want to do more. It's not magic, it's momentum. The secret to a spotless home isn't working hard all day. It's working smart in short bursts. One space at a time, one victory at a time. 2. The magic mix, baking soda and vinegar chronicles. Let me tell you something funny. People spend hundreds on cleaning sprays that smell like chemicals and promises. But the real cleaning magic? It's already sitting in your kitchen. Baking soda, vinegar, 2 simple things that could do wonders. You sprinkle the soda, you spray the vinegar, and it fizzes like a tiny volcano. It's oddly satisfying. That fizz, that soft crackle, it's science doing your dirty work. It eats grime, breaks stains, and leaves behind freshness that's real, not artificial. Try it on your sink, or your greasy stovetop, even on your bathtub. Watch how it lifts the dirt like it was never there. Old school? Maybe, but it works. It always has. And the best part? No toxins, no fake shine, just clean. 3. The speed mop secret, cleaning without the chaos. Ever tried mopping and ended up with a slippery floor and a sore back? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's a little secret. Skip the bucket. Grab a spray bottle. Mix warm water, a drop of dish soap, and a splash of vinegar. That's your potion. Spray it directly on the floor and use a flat mop. Or if you're brave, wrap a towel under your feet and glide around. It's fun, weirdly satisfying too. No mess. No waiting for floors to dry. It cleans, disinfects, and leaves that quiet shine you only see in cleaning ads. Works on wood, tile, anything really. And the best part? You finish before your playlist ends. Cleaning doesn't have to be exhausting. Sometimes it's about working smarter, not harder. For declutter first, always. You can't clean chaos. That's the truth. If your counter is full of random things, no amount of scrubbing will make it look neat. Decluttering is the secret doorway to actual deep cleaning. Start with 3 boxes, 1 for trash, 1 for donation, and 1 for keeping. Then go wild. Be honest with yourself. That magazine from last year? Gone. That chip cup you might fix someday? Gone too. Once you clear the surface, you'll see the real dirt, the real work that needs to be done. Suddenly, cleaning becomes faster, easier, calmer. And when the clutter disappears, the energy changes too. You breathe better. Your mind feels lighter. You realize most of the mess wasn't dust. It was the extra stuff you didn't need. 5. Microfiber cloths, the unsung heroes. People underestimate the little things. A good cloth can change your cleaning game entirely. Microfiber isn't just fabric, it's technology. Tiny fibers trapping dust, grease, bacteria, all of it. You wipe once and the surface gleams. No streaks, no lint. Mirrors, windows, chrome taps, they all shine like new. You can even wrap it around a broom to reach fans or corners you always forget. It's simple, reusable, smart. Just rinse, wash, reuse. Every time you grab one, you save a little money and a lot of frustration. It's quiet efficiency, like that friend who never brags, but always gets things done. 6. The forgotten corners where dust hides. Every home has its secrets, the places you don't look, but they hold the truth. Under the bed, behind the fridge, the window tracks, the vents, those little hidden spaces that collect years of forgotten dust. You think the house is clean, but then one day you move the sofa, and there it is, a civilization of crumbs and hair. Don't panic. Just grab a brush, maybe an old toothbrush, and go in. A quick swipe here, a wipe there. You'll feel like an archaeologist uncovering lost history. These small places make a big difference. Clean them once, and your whole space feels lighter. It's strange how the unseen can affect the scene, but it does. Every time. 7. Kitchen therapy, fighting grease and grime. The kitchen tells stories. Every splatter, every stain, proof that life happens there. But grease, it's a stubborn enemy. You need strategy, not just soap. Warm a bowl of vinegar in the microwave for half a minute. The steam softens the grime, and you just wipe it away. Magic. For stovetops, make a paste, baking soda, and a few drops of water. Spread it. Wait. Then scrub. It slides off like melted butter. Faucets? Rub them with lemon and salt for that metallic sparkle. Simple, natural, quick. And while you're there, open a window. Let the air change. A clean kitchen isn't just about hygiene. It's about feeling good in the space that feeds you. 8. Bathroom battles, turning grime into shine. Bathrooms can get ugly fast. Soap scum, water stains, that weird smell that never leaves. But here's the trick. Don't fight it all at once. Pick one thing. Mix vinegar and dish soap half and half. Spray it everywhere. On tiles, on glass. Let it sit while you scroll your phone for a bit. Come back. Wipe. Suddenly everything shines. Scrub corners with a toothbrush. Polish mirrors with a dry cloth. Drop baking soda into the toilet. Pour vinegar and watch the fizz show. Flush. Done. Add fresh towels. Maybe light a candle. It's peaceful now. It feels like a reset button. Clean bathroom, clear mind. It's strange how that works. 9. Daily habits. The lazy person's secret weapon. You don't need a weekend marathon to keep a spotless home. You just need 5 minutes a day. Wipe the counters after dinner. Sweep before bed. Clear the sink. Small moves. They stack up. They stop dirt from becoming disaster. Keep cleaning spray in every room, so when you see a mess, you handle it instantly. No delay. No build-up. The trick is to make cleaning invisible, just part of your rhythm. Once it becomes a habit, your home never really gets dirty. It just stays alive, managed, breathing. People will ask how you keep it so clean, and you'll laugh because you barely notice you're doing it anymore. 10. The final touches, when clean becomes beautiful. Deep cleaning isn't just about removing dirt. It's about restoring calm. When everything's clean, you can finally see your space the way it was meant to be. Now's the time for the little touches. Open the windows, let sunlight in. Arrange your cushions, fold your throws neatly. Wipe doorknobs, picture frames, switches. Tiny things, big difference. Drop a bit of essential oil on a cotton ball and hide it behind furniture. It keeps the air fresh without overdoing it. Light a candle, maybe something soft like linen or citrus. Take a step back and look around. Feels different, right? That's what a truly clean home does. It doesn't just look spotless. It feels like peace itself. And that's it. 10 simple hacks for a cleaner, calmer home that doesn't drain your energy or your wallet. Remember, cleaning isn't about chasing perfection. It's about creating peace in the space you live in. The kind of peace that smells like lemon and quiet mornings. If today's video helped you see cleaning a little differently, then maybe that's the real win. Don't forget to subscribe to Rustic Pantry, where calm living meets real life. See you next time with more slow hacks for fast days and more ways to make your home feel like home again.